I get a lot of questions about how to increase your ROAS on Facebook, and there's multiple things that you can do starting today that are going to allow you to do so. First thing is start splitting your campaigns into CBOs, okay? Structure them in equally distributed CBOs. Depending on the price of the product, start at like $100 daily, $200 daily, and have those 3 ad sets be equally distributed. So I would set up like ad set spend limits on each ad set, and if it's $100 daily, you have 3 ad sets, then I would do $20 minimum each on those ad set spend limits. Another thing you can do to increase your ROAS is have more upsells in the back-end process of your funnel or your store, whatever you're running ads to. Because most people don't have upsells, they just have that one product, they want that one magic bullet, and they don't have anything else to upsell that can increase your AOV, average order value, and they get stuck in a rut with ads. The other thing is you can go for value over conversion. So in Facebook, in your ad set level, you can basically optimize your ad delivery for conversions. And that's what most people do because it's the lowest cost and like you can get more conversions faster, but they might not be people who spend more or have a higher LTV moving forward. So in that ad set level, when you scroll the way down, you can then pick, instead of conversions, you can click value. That's gonna go for people who have a higher ROAS or 30-day LTV. So that's the 30-day lifetime value of your customer, and those people are usually going to spend more, so they're willing to take more upsells. Maybe they're going to get more than one quantity. Maybe they're just a higher ticket buyer, and Facebook knows who has a higher ROAS or who has higher purchase behaviors than others. They know, with all the millions of people every day who shop from Facebook ads, they know who is spending the most. They know who contributes to better attribution for your ad sets. They know who contributes to high quality leads. They know who's getting in the most lookalike audiences. They know your customer. So as far as increasing your ROAS, it's either upsells, CBO campaigns, start double downing on your best interests, going into deeper lookalikes, not just 1%, but 4% lookalikes, and then instead of conversions, highest value. And then, like I said, really hone in on those upsells. If you have a front end, and you're running a digital product front end and it's like $17, $27, you need upsells. You need a good order book that's converting at 50% or more. You need upsells that are converting at 30% on the first upsell, second upsell, if it costs more, around like 15 to 20. And then anything that's high ticket as an upsell should be anywhere between like 5 to 10. And that's like a really good performing funnel. That's a nasty funnel. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching today's video. If you have any questions about Facebook ads or increasing your ROAS, comment down below and we'll chat soon. Thanks again.